Hello Lamai. Today I am going to discuss with you your second biology lesson in grade 10 book. It is structure and functions of the plant cell and animal cells. Under that, first subtopic is cell theory. The cell theory is introduced by three scientists, Theodor, Schwann and Schleiden. It has three statements. First one is all organisms are made up of one or more cells. Second one is all cells arise from pre-existing cells. And the third one is cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Sometimes MCQs වලද මේ statements තුලින් ඔයාලගෙන් questions අහන්න පුළුවන්. So keep in mind the three statements of the cell theory. Right? The second subtopic is the plant cell and animal cell. Before moving to the second subtopic, you have to know what is the typical cell. The meaning of the typical cell. The typical cell is the model. Actually, it is the structure which belongs all cell organelles that can be seen in both animal and plant cells. Actually, typical cell එකක් කියන එකක් අපිට exist වෙන්නේ නැහැ naturally. It's a structure. Then let's see what are the difference between the plant cell and animal cell. The plant cell consists cell wall. You have to know the how to identify, how to label the plant cell correctly. The outermost part of the plant cell is the cell wall. It is the cell wall. Then inside the cell, it is made up with the cellulose and it is the non-living part. Inside the cell wall, there is a cell membrane. Inside the cell membrane, there is a cytoplasm. The majority of the cytoplasm consists with the large vacuole, and in peripherally, you can see the nucleus and the nucleolus. The nucleus membrane is made up with the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and it also has smooth endoplasmic reticulums in the cytoplasm. And there is a Golgi vessel and chloroplast, green color chloroplast, and rod-shaped mitochondrions. And also there are large number of ribosomes also present in the plant cell. Right? ඕටික ඔයගොල්ලෝ label කරන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Okay? Then let's move into the animal cell. Right? It is not a regular shaped cell. No? Plant cell it has a outer frame. It is a cell wall now. So it has a regular shape. But in a animal cell there is no regular shape. The outermost membrane is called the cell membrane, and inside the cell membrane it also has a cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm, there are several cell organelles are embedded. The middle part consists nucleus. As I mentioned in the plant cell, the nucleus membrane also, in here also, made up with the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and also it has smooth endoplasmic reticulums, which are not bounded ribosomes. Ribosomes bound වෙලා නැති ඒවා smooth endoplasmic reticulums. Ribosomes bound වෙලා තියෙනවා නම් it's a rough endoplasmic reticulum, and it also has a rod-shaped mitochondrion and Golgi complexes and small ribosomes. Then you have to know the difference between the plant cell and animal cell. MCQs වල හෝ or structure paper එකේ අහන්න පුළුවන්. Plant cell consists cell wall, but animal cells don't have cell wall. And the plant cell consists large central vacuole. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒ විදිහට තමයි ලියන්න ඕනේ ඒක. But in animal cell it doesn't have a large central vacuole, and the animal cell plant cell consists chloroplast, but animal cell doesn't have chloroplast. Differences identify කරගෙන මතක තියාගන්න අනිවාර්යෙන්ම. Right? Always plant cells වල තියෙනවා cell wall එකක්. Then let's move into the functions of different organelles. First one is the cell wall. It is non-living, maintain the shape and give support and protection. And the cell membrane, it is made up with the lipids and proteins. මතක තියාගන්න cell membrane එක made up වෙලා තියෙන proteins and lipids වලින්, but cell wall එක cellulose, it is a carbohydrate, right? Then it encloses the cell and its main function is control the entry and exit of the material into and out of the cell. Okay, එක සැරයක් අහලා තිබ්බ මේක, right? ඒක මතක තියාගන්න. Then cytoplasm is a aqueous medium. It maintains the shape of the cell and bear cell organelles. Cell organelles bear කරනවා, right? This cell wall, cell membrane and cytoplasm are not considered as the cell organelles. මේවා cell organelles විදියට consider කරන්නේ නැහැ. Now from fourth number onwards they are called cell organelles. ඒවා තමයි cell organelles විදියට consider කරන්නේ. Then first cell organelle is mitochondria. It helps to release or produce energy by cellular respiration. Complete answer එකක් ලියන්න මේ විදියට. And chloroplast, it helps with photosynthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, they are transport proteins throughout the cell. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulums, they synthesize lipids, steroids, and it can also help to storage calcium ions. Then let's move into the ribosome. It helps to protein synthesis. And Golgi complex, it synthesizes secretory substances and it can pack them and secrete function. Nucleus helps to storage genetic informations. Vacuole helps to store water, sugar, ions and pigments, as well as it involves to maintenance of water balance and helps to support and strength of the cell. Cell එකේ strength එකට support එක උත් දෙනවා. And තව මේකේ ඔයගලන්ට most important දෙයක් තමයි from cell organelles. These cell organelles mitochondria, chloroplast and nucleus, they have double membrane. This one has double membrane. ඔයගලන්ගේ MCQ එකක් ඇහුවොතින් මතක තියාගන්න, those one has double membranes. And the ribosome doesn't have membrane එකක් නැහැ. The other ones consist single membrane. ඒවා single membrane organelles විදිහට තමයි consider කරන්නේ. මතක තියාගන්න organelles, not organs නෙමෙයි, organelles මේවට කියන්නේ, right? The last part of this lesson is mitosis and meiosis. Then cell division. You know that the cell division means formation of new cells from pre-existing cells. Pre-existing cells වලින් new cells form වෙන එක තමයි අපි cell division කියන්නේ. From when the cell division occurs, first the nucleus divide, then after that the cytoplasm and other organelles divides equally to form new cells. හරිද? මුලින්ම cell එකේ nucleus එක තමයි divide වෙන්නේ. Then there are two types of cell divisions, mitosis and meiosis. Let's see the difference between the mitosis and meiosis, right? You can see there are two diagrams about mitosis and meiosis. ඔයාලට මේකේ differences ලියන්න, comparisons ලියන්න normally එන්න පුළුවන්. Then let's see what are the difference between mitosis and meiosis. Then you can see mitosis have only one cell division. එක cell division එකයි තියෙන්නේ. cell එක enlarge වෙනවා, divisions එකයි. But in meiosis there are two cell divisions දෙකක් වෙනවා. හරිද? two steps or two divisions කෙල්ලුවත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Then next one is the mitosis occurs in diploid cells and both haploid cells. මේ mitosis කියන එක 2n cells වලයි n cells වලයි both cells වල occur වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ diploid or haploid. But in meiosis is happens only the diploid cells. Diploid cells වල විතරයි මේ cell division එක occur වෙන්නේ. And in mitosis there are no variations happen. You can see after getting these daughter cells, the daughter cells are equal to the mother cell. මේකට කියන්නේ mother cell එක. These are daughter cells. Daughter cells. They are almost equal to the mother cell. So there are no variations occur in the mitosis. But in meiosis, there can be a variations. Variations වෙනවා. And mitosis, you can see resultant cells are 2. That means you can get 2 daughter cells from the one division. In meiosis, there results 4 daughter cells. There are 4 daughter cells. In here, there are 2 daughter cells. The number of chromosomes in the mother cell equally pass into the daughter cells when mitosis. Mitosis එකේදී equally a number of chromosomes equal amount එකක් daughter cells වලට එනවා. But in meiosis, the number of chromosomes in the mother cell is become half when it pass into the daughter cells. Daughter cell වලට එනකොට half වෙනවා. For example, if the mother cell has the 46, the daughter cell have 23 chromosomes. හරිද? And the daughter cells also identical in mitosis. Mitosis එකේ daughter cells තුත් identical. එයා mother cells ටත් equal. But in meiosis, the daughter cells are different from mother cell as well as each other. එයාලා එකිනෙකාටත් ඒ කියන්නේ එයාලගේ තියෙන daughter cells තුත් difference and mother cell ටත් different විදියට තමයි එන්නේ. ඔන්න ටික හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. ඕගොල්ලෝ similarities comparison කරන්න ඕගොල්ලන්ට මේ වගේ ඒවායි එන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතර ඔයාලා දන්නා අපේ human ගේ තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද? mitosis and meiosis කියන දෙකම වෙනවා. mitosis වෙන තැනක් තමයි මතක තියාගන්න අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම අහන්න පුළුවන්. when wound healing වෙනකොට and when asexual reproduction happens. Asexual reproduction එකේදී and wound healing වලදී සිද්ධ වෙන මොකක්ද? Mitosis කියන cell division එක. And growth of the multicellular organism also happens. Mitosis cell division. Meiosis එක වෙන්නේ when formation of gametes. What are the gametes of human? Sperms and eggs. In plants, pollens and ovoms or eggs. Right? ඔන්නෝ තමයි differences. Gametes form වෙන්නේ මතක තියාගන්න meiosis එකෙන්. normal cell division එක අපේ growth development එන්නේ mitosis එකෙන්. ඔය ටික තමයි අපිට discuss කරන්න තියෙන්නේ in your second lesson. Then let's meet in your third biology lesson in next video.